Since 1969, the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department has taken pride in offering the best water, best service, and best environmental stewardship to the residents it serves. Through this customer-focused approach, WUD has grown into one of the most respected water utilities departments in Florida, if not the nation. From individual and department-wide awards to a commitment to maintaining a state-of-the-art water distribution and wastewater collection system, WUD has excelled over the last 12 months. The year began with the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department being recognized as an industry leader nationwide with awards and accolades. For the 22nd straight year, WUD also received the Certificate of Achievement for Excellence in Financial Reporting from the Government Finance Officers Association of the United States for its comprehensive annual financial report. The department also received a AAA bond rating from 3 major bond rating services. On the individual side, 11 WUD team members received Golden Palms from County Administrator Virginia Baker in recognition of their outstanding work during the past year. Since January 1st of this year, WUD personnel have responded to more than 5,300 calls to our emergency hotline. The department remains active in the community through tours, school visits, and the generosity of WUD personnel. More than 2,300 elementary school children learned about the work we do through the Touch a Truck series and school career days. Tour groups from universities, service organizations, and industry professionals from as far away as Japan visited WUD facilities in order to gain a better understanding of what it takes to provide superior service to nearly 600,000 residents. WUD's commitment to community was shown in the annual United Way of Palm Beach County Drive, as WUD employees contributed over $58,000 to area charities and nonprofits. WUD team members also joined together in December to donate over 300 toys and bicycles and over $1,000 in gift cards to Speak Up for Kids, a local charity which provides services for abused and neglected children in Palm Beach County. The lifeline of WUD's ability to provide the best water to our residents is in the infrastructure maintained by the department. Throughout the past 12 months, WUD has made significant upgrades to both the water delivery and wastewater collection and treatment systems to ensure minimum disruption of service in the case of an outage. The Southern Region Water Reclamation Facility installed new state-of-the-art filter screens, which enable our team to remove 6 times more debris and solids prior to treating the wastewater. At the water treatment plant in Belle Glade, a team of water utility staff and local contractors work together to replace a pump. The new pump ensures efficient delivery of high-quality drinking water to our residents in the Tri-Cities region. Lift Station 5229 had aging pumps replaced, while upgrades to existing water distribution pipeline throughout the county has led to a reduction in the number of breaks and service outages. 2019 represented an important milestone as the department celebrated 50 years of service to residents of Palm Beach County. WUD still strives today to provide the best water, best service, and best environmental stewardship.